Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two electric spin brushes. This one here is the LyriFine on the right hand side. This one here on the left is the Dovety with the metal handle. Now both of them have adjustable. I'm going to show you how they adjust. They both charge. I really do like that they both charge with USB-C. That is a must for me. And this one's going to charge right here. So let's first turn them on. There's high power, high power. Let's see how strong each one is. They're both really powerful. I got a longer reach with the Dovety. All right. So you can tell the Dovety is longer, but I do like this one here. It's got like the handle's a little bit nicer to hold on to. You can retract it down to a smaller one. You can disconnect it right here. You've got a small tool. They both come with a bunch of different attachments that you can put on. The Dovety is a little bit harder to adjust. You're going to rotate this, push it in any which way or any length you want, then rotate it. I can turn this into a handheld tool also by unscrewing this. This is just like a standard broom handle thread. So now I've got like a standard scrubber here with USB-C charging. A little bit nicer display as far as battery. And again, both of these take the same attachments that come on and off super easy. But I found both of these to be very powerful. So if you're needing something with a longer reach, the Dovety definitely has a longer reach. Yeah, look how much of a longer reach it is. Let's get this one right there. But again, I like this one. I don't have to bend over when I'm using either one. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.